All right, today I have a GMC Sierra, and I'm going to show you how to put this GMC Sierra into gear. All right, you're going to need to put it in gear to enable to drive forward, to put it in park, put it in neutral, and to reverse. But before I get started, if you found my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm in the GMC Sierra. In order to put it in gear, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my foot on the brake pedal, all right, on the brake. And then what I'll do is I'll come right over here. And you see this lever right here? This is how you change the gears. And what I'll do is I'll pull it towards me. The vehicle's on. It's, it's in park right here. And currently the vehicle's in park, and it shows you on here. So there's park, reverse, neutral, drive, and low. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, pull it towards me, and go down one notch. And when you go down one notch, you'll see this right here. It went into reverse. All right, I just put it in. That's how you put it into reverse right there. And if you look on the screen, the camera for the rear camera comes on. Now, if I want to go ahead and put in neutral, I'm going to go ahead and take this same lever. My foot is still on the brake, but to get into neutral, if you're in park or drive, you can simply move it to neutral without actually having it on the brake. But you want to read your user's manual so you know how to do it properly. All right, so right now it's in reverse. I'm gonna pull it towards me again and then put it into neutral. You see that? And to put it in to drive, my foot is on the brake. I'm gonna take this, and it is now in a drive. Right now, if I want to put into low, I'll go ahead and take this and I put it into low, and it is in low 1 right here. And you can adjust the levels with this right here. So it goes all the way up to 9, 10, whatever. And I put it back, foot on the brake, back into park, all the way up, just like this right here. All right, so that is how you put the GMC Sierra into gear. Hope this video has been helpful. Read your owner's manual so you know exactly how to do it according to the manufacturer. Thanks a lot for watching.